So when you first start using a Trackman, it's a little bit overwhelming to understand swing speed and club path and face angle and all the different things that happen. So in this video I want to show you a really cool feature called Tracy, which Trackman uses AI to basically be your coach and tell you what to work on. And it goes beyond that because it actually sets up the screens in a way that's focused on doing that. So in this video we're going to look at how to do that. So we're going to go to the Practice tab and go to Shot Analysis. If we're already logged in, you'll see your name, and let's just grab our 7-iron. Okay, and for the sake of this, I'm going to put it on the tracer, and again, there'll be other videos talking about navigating shot analysis. This one's specifically on Tracy. So the first thing that we want to make sure we do before we hit any shots is up in the top right, you click the Tracy button. There's no other steps required. It'll turn orange when it's ready. Now you need to hit 5 or 6 shots, sometimes 8 or 10, depending on how consistently you're hitting. But she'll tell you when she has enough shots, and then she'll make some recommendations, which we'll show you here in a second. So we're going to hit some shots and then show you what happens next. So as you're hitting, she'll keep reminding you that she almost has enough, you just need to hit a couple more. So just keep an eye on the little message that pops up by that orange button. Okay, perfect. So we got our results, and just for reference, that took us about 10 or 11 shots. It very much depends on how consistently you're hitting. So you'll see it says 7-iron, and it gives you a couple options here. So I'm gonna click on Insights, and this is cool. It's showing you a few, your average dispersion and stuff. And you can see what to improve. And here's where this is the really cool feature. So look how it says, here's your one thing to work on, and it says Start Focus Practice. And then down in the secondary focus, there's a couple other options. But if I click Start Focus Practice, it says face angle here. So if I click that, it literally sets up my screen solely working on face angle and then the tracer on the left. So what this means is Tracy will read those 10 or 11 shots you hit, and then it sets up the screen for you so you can specifically work on this.
I'll go ahead and hit one shot.
Okay, now if you notice on the right side of the screen, hey, look at that, optimal shot. So it's going to keep track of how many shots you hit, and again, this is a good way, if you're not really sure what the data means and you just want to know what to work on, you don't want to deal with all different screens, this is a really good option where you can come in and kind of get some recommendations and very focused practice.